what's up? Welcome back. So today I have my September haul, no, not a haul, my September kit lineup for you. If you're wondering where my July haul is and you don't follow me on Instagram, long story short, my basement flooded. And since I film in my basement, okay, that sounds so sketchy, but like, it's like a finished rec room area, but like I film down here because I live next to an airport and it's loud at all hours. So, yeah, but because my basement flooded, I have not been able to film for the past couple weeks. So I'm just rolling my July haul into my August haul, so I hope that's cool with y'all. But, oh yeah, also, if you're here looking for a fall kit and foil inspiration, I am so sorry, but you are absolutely not in the right place. So before I get into my September lineup, I do have a slight change to my August lineup. So just too much good Halloween art came out this year. Plus, there are still a couple kits from last year that I want to use this year. So I'm just going fully rogue with Halloween spreads this year, but because of that I had to bump a September kit, and I really wanted to use this year. So because I had to bump it from September, I'm going to be using it in August in place of the CaressPress mermaid kit. So I'll find a spot for that next year, but like this kit was non-negotiable. Like I had to use it this year. So this is the Sun-Kissed Summer Kit, also by CaressPress. I just think this art, these colors, everything about this kit is just 10 out of 10 beautiful. And then I'm going to be pulling in some AliciaCraft foils. So I'm going to be using her beach pattern, and I'm doing a mix of hollow and then blue hollow. I think that is going to be so freaking pretty together. But yeah, so that is what I'm changing for August. For the week of September 5th through September 11th, I'm using the PinkDiamondPlannerCo March 2022 mystery, and I just think these colors and this art and this theme are just so perfect for a summer wind down or like a summer to fall transition kit. I just think it is absolutely perfect for that. So even though this is like the perfect transition kit in my mind, I'm still using one more summer kit after this, and that is simply just because I'm using the foil bundle that I'm using with this another time in September as well, and I just didn't want to use them back to back. So my kit order is a little wonky, but that's fine by me. So anyway, okay, oh my god, I'm so excited about this lineup. I did a little sneak of it on Instagram, but not to be dramatic, but I think that this might be a god tier combo, and I think that it might be one of my best combos of all time. But I'm going to be using a combo of the Kieran underlays in matte silver from Plannahannah. And then I'm going to be using this like beautiful periwinkle bundle from SPC, and it's not like super glossy, but it's not like matte either. I think that like the finish works really nicely with the matte bronze finish, and I'm going to be layering the bougie under the underlays, of course, and I think that is just going to be so freaking pretty. Like, I am just so excited about this. I've had this vision in my mind for months, and I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited to see how it turns out as well. I'm probably going to lay the base down for this right after I film this because I'm so freaking excited for that combo. I'm so sorry. I feel like this video is already so chaotic, but like, you know how it is. We're passionate about stickers and people outside of the community just don't get it. But I'm excited to plan lately. Like, I don't know, there's just something so fun about like pulling together a lineup. I don't know. I'm excited. Okay. Anyway, so this is for the week of September 12th through the 18th, and this is the June mystery from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. And there is just something so calming and serene about this. And even though it's obviously a summer kit, I feel like the colors are very anytime, and like the colors in this work really nicely in my opinion with the colors in the drive-in kit. Like, I just feel like it all coordinates well. It's going to be really nice and cohesive. So anyway, the foil for this, I'm just keeping super simple. I'm using the Hollow Wave bundle that came with the kit. This is one of those kits where I'm so obsessed with it and I don't want to like fuck the spread up with a questionable foil pairing. So wait, what the heck? This does not go with that. Don't know how that got there, but yeah, I don't want to like fuck the spread up or risk fucking the spread up with a potentially questionable foil pairing. So I figured I would just use it as Tasha intended. So, okay. This is for the week of September 19th through the 25th. Which is the week of the Big Brother finale, and typically this would be a summer kit, but I had to bump Halloween up, so I had to bump this kit up too. And this is the March 2022 mystery, and I'm using it this week because I love Big Brother. And so for the finale and the premiere, I always like to use a kit that I just really, really love. And this was one of my favorite mysteries of the year, so I figured that it would be perfect. Although this season is making me so mad. Like, these people are just... I'm getting heated, I'm sorry, but like, just fuck Kyle, fuck Alyssa, fuck Jasmine, just fuck everyone who is not Turner, Taylor, Monty, or, wait, is that it? Turner, Taylor, Monty, and Joseph. No, fuck anyone who's not any of those four. So that's that on that. Hopefully this season turns around so I'm not wasting this kit. But yeah, I just love this kit. I love how like grungy it is. It's a little change of pace from the typical throwback kits that we get. And I just love it. And this is one of the kits where I had the hardest time of my life trying to figure out the foil situation, because again, it's a kit that I didn't want to fuck up with questionable foil. And this spread is going to go one of two ways. It is either going to be God tier or it's going to be fugly. There will be absolutely no in between, but I'm very confident with my foil color selection. So I'm using the Periwinkle again. I just think that it's such a pretty shade of blue, and I think that it's gonna pick up really nicely with like the denim color and then like the blue in the pizza box. I just think that that is gonna be so freaking pretty together. Now, here is where it gets a little murky, a little dicey, but I am going to be pulling in the paint underlays from Plannahannah. I got them in black. However, I think that I might get navy instead, because now you don't need to layer with these, but I am going to layer anyway. So I'm gonna layer the bougie boxes under it just for a little added shine and also to tie the blue into the underlays. However, I think that the black might be a little too harsh with this kit. So I like the contrast with this in the blue, but I feel like it might be too much for the kit. So I think I'm gonna get the navy paint underlays, because that way it's still really dark and there's a lot of contrast, but it's not as harsh as the black. But I also might get the dark purple ones. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna order both and see how it goes. So I think I'm nixing the black, but I'm still 100% using this bundle. I think it's gonna be so freaking cute. And like, just the way that it picks up on the blue in the kit, I'm very, very excited about. For the week of September 26th through October 2nd, I have my first of many Halloween spreads for this year. So this is the spooky kit from SPC, and this is a kit that came out last year, but I love how the colors are kind of like muted Halloween but still very classic. I love like the chill, relaxed, stay at home vibe of this kit. And since I'm not using a fall kit, I thought that this would be like a really good kind of like fall to Halloween transition. And there are so many foil options you could do with this, but because I am going wild in October, I just figured I would keep it simple and sweet with a matte bronze and matte silver mixed metal. So I'm just using the shimmer bundle in that. I think that it's going to complement the kit really nicely. I might pick up a sheet of Hannah's spiderweb underlays in both matte bronze and matte silver to use instead of these, but I'm not sure yet. Because I just really like the simplicity of this. So I don't know, we will see. But yeah, that is everything for my September kit lineup. All right, so that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what kits you are using down below, and I will see you in the next one. Later days.